Assalamu alaikum dear listeners and dear students, welcome to preschool section of the Mashal schools. Dear students, as you know that we had been recording videos for primary section. Today we have started the series for English language system of playgroup, nursery, KG and class 1. As these books are of Oxford English language series, so today we are going to start it from playgroup. Dear students of playgroup, please open page number 1. On page number 1, we have the topic, it is actually tracing and coloring. Dear students, the very first thing to understand writing, to learn writing at any language is tracing. You have to trace the dotted lines or trace that something that is already drawn. So you have some pattern, you have to trace over with the pencil. This is the very starting and the very basic element. The second thing in this topic is actually coloring. Coloring is one of the good activity. Students and children are enjoying this very much because there are different colors. Students and children can understand, can play with, can give different color to different things. But remember, when you are coloring something, you have to be very, very natural. For example, if you are giving a color to the tree, you have to give green colors to the leaves because actually the tree leaves are green. Just like, for example, if you are coloring a flower, you should understand that, you should be very careful about that flowers are red in color, flowers are yellow in color, flowers are pink in color, and colors that flowers are available in, we have to give that particular color to those flowers. Understand the situation that what natural color is aligned and assigned to this particular element and give that color to that thing. So after that we have here color the picture. It is your activity that there are two children sit there and swing. Along with that there are some trees, you have some flowers. So take out your colors, color pencils and start coloring these. Give good colors to the flowers, to the trees, to the swings and backside to the green yard. So this is your first activity on this page. You have to start this. After that we will go to next activity. Remember that while we are talking about tracing in every language, for example, I'm talking about English language. In English language, there are 26 alphabets. These alphabets are made of lines. These are the combination of lines. For example, let me write something. For example, if you see here is a diagonal line. Diagonal mean this is straight, diagonal line. And there is another diagonal line. These are two diagonal lines. After that there is a horizontal line which intersect both of them. So this is said to be letter A. Just like that we have a vertical line. Again there is a horizontal line, a curve, a horizontal line, a curve and another horizontal line. Just like that you can understand that each and every letter is made of lines. And there are basic 4 or 5 lines which we will talk about in next lecture. Dear students, your first activity is to color this and to start tracing different things. Respected parents and respected teachers, it will be good to help your children and to help your student that put them or draw them some dots and give them the project, give them a pencil to trace over that thing. It will help students draw something. They will be good enough in accomplishment and drawing something. So this is the first activity for today. Thank you so much.